Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to fix when Google Photos cannot play the video. So firstly, make sure that your internet connection is stable. Maybe the problem in your internet connection, so firstly try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile network. Or from mobile network to your Wi-Fi. Also, you can check some websites to check is everything okay with your connectional quality. Next step is to open the application and firstly make sure that you sign in into your correct account. You can click the arrow icon near to your account and switch to another account, or you can add your account. Then I also recommend it to open App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for this application and update if you haven't. Also, it can help you if you restart your phone. I used this application on my phone. If you use it with a tablet, restart your tablet. Also, you can try to save this video at your gallery and play it from your gallery. So go to Google Photos and then select the video, what you want to save, let's say this one. Click at the three dots at the right top. Firstly click at the About and make sure that it uses supported file format for your phone. Next, when we click at the three dots, we can download it to our phone or another device. We can download it also on PC or on your tablet. We need to wait. After you click download, you need to wait a bit, and then you can play it from your gallery. Okay, now we save it, so we should have it in the gallery. And you can play it from the gallery. Also, we can clear the cache for this application. So on iPhone we can only reinstall the application. So you can press and hold at the app, then remove the app, then go to the App Store and install it. Because we cannot clear the cache normally like on Android. And on Android, now let's move to Android. I will show you how to clear the cache on it. You have to start by open settings and then we should go to the apps. Right here I have it, you may have it at the bottom or the middle, it depends on the phone. Enter to the apps and you need to find Google Photos. Maybe you have it here, so click on them. On this line, or click see all, or scroll down and you need to find Photos, or you can use the search and you can write Photos here. And you need to go to Storage and Cache and clear the cache by just tap at this button. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!